Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you how to register Payzapp. First of all, once you download Payzapp from Play Store or App Store, the first page which you get is the one which you are looking right now here. Then let's click this, let's get started. Post selecting that, the application will open. There you have to enter the mobile number, the number which are already existing, it will pop up automatically. If it is the one, select it. If not the one, you could enter it manually. Then after, select the checkbox and click on proceed securely and hold on for a while. Let the number get verified. Allow Payzapp to make phone calls. Click on allow. Then allow Payzapp to send and view SMS. Allow for that as well, because it will send a SMS to verify it. Hold on for a while, let's get verified. See, as I said, SMS has been sent and we have got a pop-up stating that, dear customer, your registration for Payzapp has been started, and it is, if it is not you, then blah blah blah. So click it, mark as read, as we are only doing. If you get without any registration, then it's a suspicious activity. In that situation, you could report it that. So we have verified the phone successfully. Here comes the KYC process. So to update KYC, we require PAN card and we need to enter the PAN card number over there. See guys, I have entered the PAN card and I will select the checkbox and click on verify PAN. A PAN will get verified. Post verification, you need to click on yes, proceed. It will get verified. Post validation of your PAN card details. It will ask congratulate you, and you need to unlock as default in Payzapp. To unlock the app, it will set your device lock. So for the first time, unlock it. So as I have unlocked this, it will redirect you to the home page. It will take some time. You need to wait for that. So as it's taking time, so we will wait and we will come back. Post the home page is updated, or else, as it's our first video about this application, rather we will wait. So see, we have waited. So for the beginning, it is registered successfully. So here what it will ask you to add your cards. You could add it now only, or you could do it later. So as it's a new registration, I will not add it now. We will come up with a new video how to add the card. For the time being, we will click this do it later. We will check yes, skip it. So screen lock to Payzapp. Okay. So please go through these notifications. So as we already know that, see, the registration is completed. So hope this help you to register Payzapp. We will come up with a new video how to add the card, how to update KYC, and how to link, how to recharge, how to add money and send to the bank account. Various videos, whatever. If you require any particular video about this new application Payzapp, please feel free to comment about that. We will definitely come up with a video to help you guys. So for this video, that's it for this video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.